Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to talk about the things which I wish I knew in my early 20s because मुझे ये पता नहीं थे and I wish ये मुझे पता होता तो I'm 27 and I'm realizing a lot of things which I really wish कि मुझे कोई तो बताता पहले. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I write down all the things which I want to talk about and there are a lot of things. So let's get into it. First is I think मैं अभी भी struggle करती हूँ but which is like just don't overthink and just put ideas in actions because I know काफ़ी लोग होते हैं जो overthink करते हैं and फिर कुछ भी नहीं होता है but I feel if you get an idea or if you are passionate about something just go for it, don't overthink. बस just take actions and work for it because जितना तुम overthink करोगे उतना कुछ नहीं होने वाला. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट यू विल जस्ट गेट लेजी एंड यू विल कीप थिंकिंग कि हाँ मैं करूँगी कल परसों बट कभी नहीं होता है. सो डोंट ओवर थिंक एंड जस्ट डू इट. लाइक वंस यू गेट एन आइडिया कि हाँ मुझे ये वीडियो शूट करना है, मुझे यहाँ पे जाना है, मुझे ये स्किल लर्न करनी है, सो जस्ट गो फॉर इट एंड डोंट ओवर थिंक. सेकेंड इज लाइक मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग एंड आई विश मैंने भी इम्प्लीमेंट किया होता विच इज़ लाइक going to gym or doing some kind of workout or playing sport because that just brings a lot of discipline in your life and it's just good for your health of course because मैंने अभी भी चालू किया it's been like 1-2 years and I really wish कि मुझे कोई पहले बताता and just gym लेके जाता because it's so important to take care of your health and only because मैंने तभी इतना health को importance नहीं दिया तो अभी like I have to struggle a lot. So I think if you're in like your early 20s, start working out, do something, play sports or do something. Yeah, and have a like a clean diet. If तुम्हें बाहर की खाने की आदत पड़ गई जैसे मुझे पड़ी थी, it's only gonna ruin your health. And clean diet की बात ही कर रहे हैं तो don't attach stress with junk food. I don't think a lot of people will relate to it, but people who are struggling with their weight and food habits, I think when you attach your mood, your emotions with food, it gets really very difficult to detach from it. It took me a lot of time. Abhi bhi I'm struggling, but I think it is very hard. If you're like feeling some emotion, talk about it or like go for a walk or do something related to it. Just don't attach that to junk food because बाद में that only habits will like literally ruin your whole body and your relationship with food. It's also very important because ये मैंने कभी नहीं किया था. It's like just don't get involved in boy drama if you're not ready. I think early 20s में तो करना ही नहीं चाहिए. I won't suggest कि don't look for boys or girls, don't fall in love. मतलब if it happens naturally and if it's healthy then it's fine, but if it's like very toxic and things are not working out because early 20s में इतना नहीं पता होता. It's only after 25 or 26 you really understand कि what you're looking for and how people are actually. तो early 20s में you don't have any idea, so I think don't focus much on like relationship and stuff and focus on your goals and career. I know it's very easy to say but काफ़ी difficult हो जाता है if like there's someone really good in your life. So if it's only healthy then keep it, or else I feel कि don't focus on relationship and love in your early 20s. Next is learn one skill and then master that. If you know फ्रॉम अर्ली 20s के पहले कि तुम्हें क्या पसंद है तो जस्ट गो फुल इनटू इट, लाइक लर्न अ लॉट अबाउट इट एंड मास्टर इट एंड उसका ही आगे उसको ही मोनेटाइज करो या उसके रिलेटेड जॉब लो ओनली विच यू आर रियली पैशनेट अबाउट. बिकॉज इफ़ यू गो टू थिंग्स विच यू आर नॉट पैशनेट अबाउट इट्स ओनली गोना रुइन योर मेंटल हेल्थ एंड लॉट ऑफ ईयर्स, बहुत ज़्यादा वेस्ट होने वाले ईयर्स. So focus on what you really like. Okay, I don't think everyone will agree to this, but I feel some people don't deserve forgiveness and they just don't deserve empathy, sympathy, anything because they're so bad. And if you're like a very nice person, you're very emotional and everything, those people are only going to ruin you. So just accept the fact that सब लोग अच्छे नहीं होते and you just have to, you know, forget them. And it's not necessary to forgive them. You just have to forget them, block them, do whatever you want to protect your mental peace. उसके बाद I think I struggle with this thing still abhi tak, which is going to bed early. Like prioritizing sleep is like so important, but I know मैंने early 20s में prioritize नहीं किया था sleep को. That's why it's like so difficult for me अभी to, you know, have a good sleep routine. So please focus on sleeping early and 7 to 8 hours. This is so important, like to shift to another city from your home. Like this one is very important, which is like shifting from your house to another city or another country, whatever is like okay with you, because it's so important to live independently. फिर ही तुम्हें समझ में आता है कि real world कैसा है. So if you can, please do that. Try living on your own or with your friends or even strangers. But try living away from home independently and you'll learn a lot of things in your life. Next thing is love is not meant to be toxic. And if you're in your early 20s, then and if you're going through something which is slightly toxic or it's not giving you mental peace or happiness, then it's time to leave. Because trust me, if तुम लोगों ने ऐसे, you know, if you're like thinking कि it will work out, let's give this a chance, it won't, because the person will ruin your mental peace and you'll have a lot of trauma moving ahead. So it's better to just leave things when they are not, you know, not giving you any value and peace of mind, of course. So just leave them and, you know, let go. Like, prioritize your mental peace and um, your health first. If you're not feeling good with that person, just leave it, because love is not meant to be toxic. It should be really giving you peace of mind and happiness and not confusion. Always remember that. One more thing related to that only is don't get attached easily. I struggle that a lot, but don't get attached to anyone because they can leave you like any day. So it's better to like have your life together, have your friend circle, have your hobbies, that even if that person leaves one day, it won't matter a lot. Obviously it's gonna hurt and you're gonna be sad for a while, but try being not getting that attached to someone, because that will again ruin your mental peace. Next is don't give up on something which you really love to do, because if you do like job or, you know, any studies which you're not really into, it's only gonna make you unhappy. So always focus on things which you really makes happy and which will like work out in long run. Only focus on that. Do things which you love, and which brings me to the last point, which is live your life. Don't forget to live your life. Create crazy memories with your friends, with your families, with all your loved ones, because you never know when this life is going to get over. So don't forget to live and be grateful of what you've got, because we have time now and we don't know कि कब तक मिलेगा. So if you're planning to go on a trip, if you're planning to be somewhere, to do something, don't cancel that and go for it, because afterwards you're only going to regret कि तभी क्यों नहीं किया था. So always do what you love and create memories with your loved ones and be grateful for the life. I think these were the things which I really thought that it's really important to know if you're in your early 20s or just, you know, like lost in your life. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. And let me know in comments whatever you think was relatable to you or the issues which you are going through, and I'll respond to it and I'll talk with you guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.